Salam doston, which means hi friends in Tajik. And if you are new here in this channel, my brother and I, we teach Tajik, formal Tajik and informal Tajik, the Tajik that we use in our daily lives and mostly in the north part of Tajikistan. And my name is Hussein and my brother's name is Hassan. He's behind the camera as usual.
Hi.
Yes. And in today's class, we'll talk about the days of the week and months, and also seasons. So we will start with the days of the week, okay? So in Tajik we say Rӯзҳои ҳафта. Ҳафта means week. Рӯзҳои ҳафта. Okay, next one. Monday we say Dushanbe. And if you don't know this yet, the capital of Tajikistan is Dushanbe, which means Monday. Because a long time ago, I'm not sure when, maybe 20s or 30s, there used to be market every Monday. So that's why the city was called Dushanbe. Dushanbe. Next one, Seshanbe means Tuesday. Tuesday, Seshanbe. So if you know the numbers in Tajik, Du, Yag, Du, Se, Chor, Panch, it will be easier for you to learn because Dushanbe, you see, Du, Shanbe, and Se, 3, Shanbe. Next one, Chor Shanbe, 4, Chor. Chor Shanbe will be Wednesday. Thursday, Panchanbe, 5, Panch. Thursday, Panchanbe. Friday, Juma. Here we don't have Shash. It's different. Jum'a, Juma. We just say Juma. Next one, Saturday will be Shanbe. And the last one, Sunday will be Yakshanbe. So you can see here Yak, number 1, Yakshanbe, and then Dushanbe, like this. All right, one more time. Dushanbe, Seshanbe, Chorshanbe, Panchanbe, Juma, Shanbe, Yakshanbe. All of them are Rӯзҳои ҳафта, days of the week. Okay, let's move on. Now we'll talk about the months. We say in Tajik moҳҳо, but if you just say month, like 1 month, you just say moh without ho at the end, moh. Okay, I started with December because later we'll talk about the seasons. It will be easier to explain. So December, we say Dekabr. If you speak Russian, it will be easier for you to learn because in Russian they use the same, but a little bit different. So Dekabr, at the end they have this one, which they say мягкий знак. So it makes the R at the end sound more like softer. Dekabr. But we say Dekabr. 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 January will be Yanvar. Yanvar. This is Ya. And February, Fevral. Fevral. March will be Mart. Mart here. April will be April. April. May, Mai. June will be Iyun. July, Iyul. Sometimes people don't know if you mean like Iyun or Iyul. That's why people say Iyun. L at the end. So they mention L. Iyul. August will be August. Similar. August. September, we say Сентябрь. Сентябрь. October, we say Октябрь. Similar. October. And November, Ноябрь. One more time. Моҳҳо, Декабрь, Январь, Февраль, Март, Апрель, Май, Июнь, Июль, Август, Сентябрь, Октябрь, Ноябрь. Now, let's talk about the seasons. Seasons, we say фаслҳои сол. Фаслҳои сол. Сол means year. Sol. Okay, winter. December, January, February. Zimiston. We say Zimiston. In Tajikistan, in winter, it's quite cold, but not in the north part of Tajikistan. Sometimes we have snow, but not for many days. It lasts maybe like 2-3 days, but it melts quickly, the snow. All right, next one, March, April, May will be spring, bahor, bahor. So, Mart, April, May, bahor. All right, next one, my favorite, Tobiston, which means summer. Tobiston, iyun, iyul, august. Tobiston. And the last one, autumn or fall, tiramoh, tiramoh. Okay, one more time, zimiston, bahor, tobiston, and tiramoh. But sometimes, especially in my hometown, in Khujand, people say tobiston like buhor. Sometimes it's confusing because they say it like this, bahor, buhor. They use the same word for spring and summer. But it's better if you say tobiston. It will not be confusing. And one more thing, guys. So here you see we don't use the capital letters. So it's not like in English for months or days of the week. You don't need to use the capital letters like in English. It's just like this. All right, now let's see how you can use those words in a sentence, okay? What day of the week is it? So the formal way would be to say imruz kadom ruzi hafta ast. It's okay if you don't use ast here. Imruz kadom ruzi hafta. The tone should be like a question. Imruz kadom ruzi hafta. Okay? Informal, the one that we use, would be imruz chanshambe. Imruz chanshambe. Okay, next one. They will play basketball on Sunday. Onho ruzi yakshanbe, Sunday, basketball bozi mekunand. Onho ruzi yakshanbe basketball bozi mekunand. Bozi, long E. And the informal way would be to say onho ruzi yakshanbe basketball mezanand. So instead of bozi mekunand, people say mezanand, but the literal translation would be mezanand, like to beat, hit. But we use it like to play. Onho ruzi yakshanbe basketball mezanand, like that. My favorite season is summer. You already know that. And in Tajik we say fasli dostoshtei man tobiston ast or me boshad. Both are okay. But if you don't use them, it's fine. Fasli dostoshtei man tobiston. If you remember seasons, we say faslҳои сол. If you just say seasons, we say faslҳои сол. But in a sentence, fasl is enough. You don't need sol here. Fasli dostoshtei man tobiston ast or meboshat. All right, and the last one. I was born on the 20th of June 1997. So in Tajik, it's man bistumi iyuni soli hazoru nahsadu navadu. One more time. Hazoru nahsadu navadu tavalud shudam. Tavalud shudam was born. One more time. Man bistumi iyuni soli hazoru nahsadu navadu tavalud shudam. That's our sister's birthday. All right. One more time from the very beginning. Imruz kadom ruzi hafta. Imruz chanshanbe. Onho ruzi yakshanbe basketball bozi mekunand. Or onho ruzi yakshanbe basketball mezanand. Fasli dostoshtei man tobiston ast meboshad. Both are okay. Man bistumi iyuni soli hazoru nahsadu navadu tavalud shudam. All right, that's it for today, guys. And if you don't know the Cyrillic alphabet, you don't know how to read it, we have a video about the Cyrillic alphabet. You can find it here. And also don't forget, we have the printable version of this class in the description down below. You can download it for free. All right, that's it for today. Take care and see you next week. Bye-bye.